The final demonstration with Windows 7, I'm going to cover the basic configuration. How we're going to do this, we're just going to go right click on the desktop, go down to personalize. The pop-up screen will come up shortly. Now we have different options here. We can change the background, the configuration, the color. We can change the icons, mouse pointers, and change the picture on my account. So what we'll first go to is we'll change the desktop background. So we'll just click on characters. Windows 7 is shortly going to load this up here, and we will shortly see the change of the desktop in Windows 7. And it's configuring everything and loading up. It's just taking just a little bit to run with the hardware that's installed with my computer right now. Okay, now as with the desktop already being changed, I'm going to change it back to the original configuration, and we'll go through several other steps. So we'll just right click on the desktop, and we'll go right back to the Windows 7 Basic. As you can see, the layout is back to the original way we just first had. What else we can do is go to the Windows Classic. Computers with low-end hardware, like the computer that we're using right now, and I will show you the difference right there. As you can see, the desktop is just turned to one color, and on the start menu is reminiscent of Windows 95 and Windows 98. And this message icon or action center right here is just alerting us about the computer is not updated with a virus protection program, which we're just going to bypass and not use just because of the demonstrations right now. As you can see, it's very reminiscent of the systems. It may be easier to use if you have a low-end computer running Windows 7. But what we can do, there's another way that we can go back to the personalization. So we'll go to Control Panel. Appearance and Personalization. Personalization. And then we'll go back to the Windows 7 Basic. And we're right back to square one. And that concludes the demonstration on configuring the basic of Windows 7. Thank you and have a nice day.